Imagine having decades of digital photos, tens of thousands of memories scattered across old iPhones, dusty hard drives, USB sticks, forgotten SD cards, random Google accounts, Dropbox folders, WhatsApp backups, and even old Facebook albums, and in just a few hours, having them all perfectly sorted, tagged, searchable, emotionally categorized, and enhanced in crystal clear quality by artificial intelligence. That's the promise of cloud AI photo organization in 2025, and it's not just possible, it's easier than ever, and it will absolutely change how you preserve and relive your memories. This is Tech Wave 65, and today, we're exploring how to use cloud-based AI tools to organize, restore, and curate a lifetime of photos, so your family history, creative archives, travel adventures, and forgotten moments are finally under your control, beautifully organized, and instantly accessible. Let's start with the chaos. You open your iPhone and it says 42,000 photos. You scroll and see blurry screenshots, duplicates, 17 photos of the same selfie, hundreds of random TikTok downloads, memes from 2019, blurry vacation pics, and accidental screenshots of your lock screen. Multiply that by every device you've ever used, and we're talking digital hoarding. The problem isn't just volume, it's fragmentation. Your Mac has one library. Your old Android phone has another. Google Photos has random albums. Facebook's timeline is still holding your college photos hostage. And iCloud? It's only got your last few years if you didn't upgrade storage. This is the modern mess. And that's where AI-powered cloud organization comes in. It starts with consolidation. Tools like iCloud Photos, Google Photos, Amazon Photos, and Adobe Lightroom with Sensei AI now let you bulk import every photo source, from device folders to external drives to cloud accounts, into one central, searchable library. You plug in your drives, connect accounts, and the system ingests everything, even duplicates. Then, the magic begins. AI scans every image, not just for dates and locations, but for faces, moods, objects, places, events, weather, time of day, and even story context. Your wedding album from 2012? It knows that's a wedding, identifies you and your partner, and tags the venue. That blurry concert photo? It recognizes the band, reads the stage signage, and timestamps it with location metadata. AI builds context from pixels. It then clusters similar moments. All beach vacations, every birthday, every Christmas, every family dinner, every pet photo, even every sunset. You don't need to remember the date or file name. You say, "Show me photos of my daughter at the zoo when she was 5, and AI finds it. You say, "Show me every dinner party where grandma appeared," and it delivers a timeline. You're not searching files, you're reliving life. And with tools like Apple Photos on iOS 18, smart albums now use AI-enhanced memories. It creates short videos, timeline collages, and photo books based on themes like growing up together, road trips, summer moments, or even dad's laugh. It adds music, transitions, and even descriptive captions generated by AI that read like a journal entry. You didn't curate it, your cloud memory did. Now let's talk cleanup. Cloud AI is ruthless with duplicates, blurred images, screenshots, and junk. It identifies exact and near duplicates, groups them, and lets you keep the best version. It flags blurry or low-quality photos for deletion, highlights accidental screenshots, and even auto-tags documents and receipts to be filed separately. You can clean up thousands of photos in minutes, not hours. It even lets you automate it. Auto-delete photos under 500 px, low confidence quality score, and no human subject. That's AI photo hygiene. But wait, it gets deeper. Facial recognition has exploded in accuracy. Google Photos and Apple Photos can now track a face across decades, even as they age. Your child at age 2 and age 20? The AI knows it's the same person. It builds people profiles, lets you name them, and auto-tags them in every new photo. You can filter by relationship, age, emotion, or grouping. Want every photo with you and your brother smiling? Done. Every hug between grandma and the baby? Delivered. It's emotionally intelligent curation. And speaking of emotion, AI now recognizes facial expressions, body language, and context. It can sort happy moments, quiet afternoons, adventures, or funny faces. Want a montage of laughter over the years? It's a voice command away. You're no longer sorting by file name, you're sorting by feeling. And don't forget AI enhancement. Adobe Sensei, Topaz Photo AI, and Apple's built-in tools can now restore old, faded, noisy, low-light images with breathtaking accuracy. I fed it a scanned photo of my great-grandparents from 1954, faded, yellowed, scratched. In 30 seconds, it was sharpened, colorized, enhanced to 4K resolution, and grouped into the Family Archive Smart folder. That's not editing, that's photo resurrection. And now you can do this in bulk. Select a decade. Apply batch AI enhancement. Your childhood, reborn in HD. The AI even upscales video clips to 4K, auto-stabilizes, removes background noise, and color corrects. All in the cloud. It's not just memories, it's memory restoration. So where does all this lie? iCloud, Google One, Amazon Drive, and pCloud now offer petabytes of photo-first cloud storage with built-in AI assistance. You can tag, search, and share instantly. Want to share all vacation photos with a specific person in them to your partner? Set a rule. Want an annual photo book of your kids auto-generated every December? Toggle a setting. Want a smart frame at home that shows random curated moments every morning? Sync your AI-powered album. You don't manage photos anymore, you experience them. And for creators or digital minimalists, apps like Gemini Photos, Slidebox, and Photo Room AI take it even further. You can remove backgrounds, auto-generate thumbnails, create reels from stills, and even build narrated slideshows with voiceover, all from your organized cloud. You're not just preserving life, you're turning it into art, and this is cross-platform. You can start on your Android tablet, continue tagging on your MacBook, build a photo book from your iPad, and control the smart display with your voice. AI bridges devices and platforms. The memory lives everywhere. Even Apple's upcoming spatial computing devices, like Apple Vision, are expected to let you walk through your memories in 3D. Imagine walking into a memory, literally, with AI stitching together video clips, ambient audio, and photos into spatial experiences. That's where this is going. A living, searchable, walkable photo memory cloud. So how do you start? Step 1. Centralize your photos. Gather them from every device and import into your chosen AI platform, Google Photos, iCloud, Adobe, or Amazon. Step 2. Let AI scan and tag. Enable face recognition, location tracking, and object detection. Step 3. Clean up. Deduplicate, delete junk, and enhance the best. Step 4. Tag by emotion, people, place, or project. Create smart albums for events, years, or relationships. Step 5. Enhance. Restore old photos. Colorize the past. Upscale the future. Step 6. Automate. Create auto-updating albums. Schedule smart books. Sync to frames and backups. And Step 7. Enjoy. Search by moment, share instantly, and relive freely. You've turned disorganized digital chaos into an AI-curated life story. You didn't lose memories, you upgraded them. In a world where data keeps piling up, the ability to find joy, meaning, and connection in our photos becomes priceless. So don't wait. Don't let your memories sit in forgotten folders or lost devices. Let AI organize your life story and help you tell it better than ever. Smash the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tech challenges, future experiments, and real talk from TechWave 65.